Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Once again, good morning to all of you. So, children, again, I will repeat that as you all know that your assessment is coming very soon, which is on 1st of October. Friday is the day. And four chapters are coming. Chapter number 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 is about tick, tick, tick. Fifth is about the way the world looks. Sixth is about the junk sailor. All the multiplication, all the operations will come. Seventh is about jugs and mugs, liters and milliliters. So you need to revise all the four concepts which we have, the four chapters along with the concept which they are covering in the chapters. We will also revise in the class also, but I request you to please thoroughly revise at home also. Am I
Ma'am,
clear with you
4
all?
to 8 chapters, no?
4 to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Four chapters are coming, including the chapter number 4. Yeah. Okay. So first we will here revise in the class. I will call the child name. I will ask the question from that child. Only that child will answer me. Now we are going to start our revision. Let me present the screen. I will also send you the another Google form in the classroom also that you have to based on the revision only. So today I will send you the revision of chapter number 4 and 5 in the classroom also. I request you to please attend your class till the last, not to leave my class early. Because it has been noted that you are leaving your class early. So please be till the end. Am I clear? Okay. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I will call the child name. That child only will answer me. Please read these questions in your mind so that you should be ready with the answers. Yes. Manya, how long will it take the minute hand to move from 3:35 p.m. to 3:50 p.m.? How many minutes?
Ma'am, 15 minutes.
Students, is Manya correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he is correct. From 35 minutes to 40 minutes is the 5 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes is the 10 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes is the 5 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes is the 10 minutes. And 45 to 50 minutes is the 15 minutes. So the answer is 15 minutes. Second will be given by Nishwa, where the
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
will be 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So where the hands will be, the short hand will be where and the long hand will be where?
6:20, ma'am.
The time will be 6:20. And if I ask where will be the short hand?
Uh, ma'am, shorthand, ma'am.
Yeah.
Shorthand will be on 10.
Short hand will be on 10.
No, sorry, ma'am. It will be on between
Hmm.
5 and 10.
5 and 10.
No, sorry, 4. 4.
4 and 10.
Ma'am, no, may I?
Nishwa, think in your mind, if the time is 6:20, where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
Shorthand
Don't
will be
see the
on.
option. Don't see the options. I'm asking the different question right now.
Yeah. Shorthand will be on 4.
Shorthand will
And
be on 4. You know, like surely you know shorthand is showing us what? Shorthand showing us the hours.
yes, ma'am, I think so. Ma'am, may I try, Manya?
Manya, your turn is
No,
over
ma'am, we
now.
have to write this.
No.
Ma'am, may I say? Who, ma'am?
Vihan will give me Vihan.
Ma'am, may I?
No, may I in my class? Vihan,
Yes.
where will be the shorthand according to the time which is given here in the second question?
The hands. I
If
cannot
the
see all
time
the,
is,
I cannot see all the options.
don't see the options, because the question which I'm asking you, because I'm twisting it, the
The
question which I'm asking you is exactly not here.
to how
Where
many
the
minutes?
hands will be? Where will be the hand when the time is 6:20? Where will be the hour hand and where will be the minute
Then I
hand?
can.
No, I can say in my class, I have a list of the students, I'll call their name.
So the minute hand will be at 4 and the and what did you say? Other one
Hour hand will be
question was
6:20 time is.
6. So the long head will be on 6.
Long hand will be on 6. The long hand is the minute hand, bacha.
So the short hand will be on 6.
Exactly on 6
No, little bit moved at the 7 side.
towards the 7. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you all clear, students, about 6:20? Where will be the hour hand and where will be the minute hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, minute hand is a long hand and hour hand is a short hand. Short hand will be a little move from 6, it will go towards 7, and the minute hand will be on 4. Why minute hand will be on 4? Because it is showing 20 minutes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third question, the minute hand started from 2. How many minutes it will take to come back on 2 again? Who will give me this answer? Am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Read this third question carefully and tell me your
Ma'am,
name and give the answer.
ma'am, Vishrut,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vishrut.
Niva.
Vishrut.
ma'am, 60 minutes.
Is Vishrut right, students?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When minute hand is coming back to the same number again after taking the round, it means it is covering the 60 minutes. Go to the fourth question. How long will the hour hand take to move from one number to the next number? This answer will be given by Niva.
1 hour.
1 hour, yes. When the hour hand will move from one number to the another number, it will take complete 1 hour. Next question will be given by Granth. How long does it take to cook a dinner at home? This is the guessing.
I can say, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Who will give me this answer? Who's
Ma'am,
saying? Anay?
ma'am, Raji.
Yes, Rajveer. Give me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, more than 1 hour.
More than 1 hour. Or
Can I
this can be someone's mother take less than 1 hour or someone's take more than 1 hour. So this answer will not give you the exact answer. You ask your parents. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my mom is calling, so I can go.
Yes, please. How long does a football match take?
Ma'am, I can say. Ma'am, I can
Uh,
say.
no, Jiga Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
How long does a football match take?
Along.
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
Anay,
Yes,
Anay, Anay.
yes, Anay, tell me.
90 minutes.
1.5 hour. 90
90.
minutes means 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yes. So this also depend on the students who are playing. So this also will not give you the accurate answer. The answer may vary from child to child. which date these stands for. So children, now please, this is showing 5506.
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Ma'am, may
So it
I?
is April. Wait a minute. Kevyan. Kevyan.
Yes, ma'am.
April 2006.
Write the answer in the chat box.
Okay, let me talk with Kevyan right now. Yes, Kevyan. Kevyan, give me the answer for the 7th one.
556.
5506. So it's who is this whose camera mic is on and disturbing me a lot? I want only to Kevyan to give me this answer.
Ma'am, that is Kevyan's microphone only.
Kevyan, please give me this answer fast. The 7th one. It is April 2006 or May 2006 or May 2005 or June 2006. Kevyan, what?
Ma'am, May.
Who is this?
Vivian.
Okay. Yes, May
Ma'am, you know this
2006
is my
is the
birthday.
answer. Okay. Time by your watch is 3:30 in the afternoon. How can we write this time by 24-hour clock? 3:30 in the afternoon means this is the 3:30 p.m. So if we want to write wait a minute. If we want to write 3:30 p.m. in the 24-hour clock time, how we will write? Vedant will give this answer.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me, but you can see the screen. Give me the answer for the 9th one.
91.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's but 15.13 hours.
Yeah, it is 15:30 hours.
Since the
Whenever the time is in the PM and they are asking you to convert in 24-hour clock time, please add the 12 hours in that given time. So 12 plus 3 is 15 and this is 30 minutes. So 15:30 hours is the answer in the 24-hour clock time. Sorry, we have skipped the 8th one. Write these dates in the numbers. So always remember this June month will be converted into the numbers. So what will be the date? Divit will tell us the date. 6606, 1606, 6706 or 6106. Always remember how to write the date. First the date will come, then the month, then the year. Divit will give me this answer. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So why Divit is not listening me? Is he there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavya Sagar will give me this answer. 8th one.
Yes, ma'am. First,
Learn and not read. Read and give.
ma'am, first one,
Ma'am,
second one. Ma'am, second one.
Second option is the correct option. 1606. Is it correct, students?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Move to the next.
Ma'am, Divit is in the class.
I will talk with Divit later on. Next
No, ma'am,
question.
I can left the class.
Suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night. The time written on the railway ticket would be. You always know that railways are using the 24-hour clock time. They never use the 12-hour clock time. So when the railways are using 24-hour clock time, so if they want to write the time 8:30 in the ticket, how they will write? It will be
Ma'am, can
19:30,
I say?
20:30. I will ask Moksha.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, it will come 20-30 hours.
20:30. Just please check.
Ma'am, suppose the train leaves at 8:30. So it will come
It will 20:30. Right.
because 12 plus 8
12
is
plus 8 is 20. Good. Next is we have next in the another sheet. Okay. Leave. If this is visible to you all,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say
this
next
you all know.
answer?
Yeah, I will call you. 1 hour equals to Vishrut. How many minutes?
1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
Hmm. Next is Tej Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
5:30 means what is the timing?
30 minutes.
30 minutes is the timing. 5:30. Yeah, what will be the time in the clock then? 5:30 को आप कैसे लिखोगे? Another way. You don't know? Yes or no? You know it or no?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Forgot 5:30 is what? 3:30 is what, Tej Kumar?
15
Huh?
15 minutes.
Always remember half means we are passing 30 minutes. But 5:30 it will be 5:30. 3:30, 3:30. Got it, students? Because it shows that you are not revising your syllabus at home. If you don't know what is 5:30. Ane, 9:30. What will be the time?
1:30. I can 1 or 2 seconds past 9.
9:30 means 1 or 2 seconds past 9.
Ma'am, I can say.
What do you mean by the word half? Half means 30
Ma'am, I
minutes
can
past
say.
after 9.
Ma'am, may I
So
say?
what is the other way of telling the time? 9:30 is what? Yes, Nishwa.
Ma'am, how fast is 5:30 because the 5.
Niva, what is 9:30?
Ma'am, Viva or Niva?
Viva.
9:30.
Yes. Half past that number means 30 minutes have already passed with that time. Got it, everyone? How to read half past?
Can I say?
No, I will call the child name. Now is about the 7:45. 7:45. Rajvi Nikhare, what is the time? 7:45.
Yes.
Rajvi Nikhare, I call your name right now. Now you give me the answer.
And Rajvi Nikhar is not there.
He is there. I can see him.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. 7:45. What is the other way of writing this 7:45 को और कैसे लिखोगे आप? What is the time actually 7:45?
Ma'am, I can say. Ma'am, may I say?
Dania,
Ma'am, 8:15.
7:45.
Quarter.
I can say, ma'am.
7:45. There are still quarter means 15 minutes. 15 minutes are still there to pass that time.
7:45.
Who gave this answer?
Rajvi Lahote.
Yes, 7:45 is 7:45. And when I say 8:15, then it will be 8:15. Quarter means 15 minutes already passed after 8. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
7:45 concept, half past concept, quarter past concept is clear? Revise
Yes,
it
ma'am.
today.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये है एक आइलैंड।
Meaning of
एंड
quarter
आइलैंड को
to?
बहुत समझने की गलती बिल्कुल भी मत करना,
भव्य
क्योंकि
सागर,
यही गलती 3 लोगों
mute
ने करी
yourself.
थी। अब उनकी मुंडी इस
What is there behind the screen? What is on behind the screen? May I know? Bhavya Sagar, may I know what is on behind the screen? Bhavya Sagar, I have pinned you. Everyone is watching you on my screen.
Ma'am, he is watching video.
I know. That is the reason something else was coming on the screen.
Ma'am, I have some network issues. So
This
that's
is not the
why.
network issue, bacha.
Hello, ma'am. It was like GTA.
No, ma'am, somebody is there. It was watching, so that's why.
My
No,
dear,
ma'am.
it was in your device only.
But
Next time, if I watch you like this, I will not allow you to sit in my class. Mute your mic now. Mute your mic. Yes. So students, now we are going to do our regular chapter, which is related with the halves and quarters. We have done some of the revision related with the time. Next, I will send you the Google form also today. You will do it, and tomorrow also we will do the revision of the
Hello,
chapters.
ma'am. What is meaning of quarter to?
Quarter two, there are still 15. Quarter means 15. Quarter to 8. There are 15 minutes to reach to the 8. And quarter past means 15 minutes already passed after 8.
Means quarter to 8 means 7:45.
Yes.
Okay.
Quarter to 8, if I say quarter to 9, it will be
9:45.
no,
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
8:45 because it is quarter to 9. 9 bhi nahi baje hai abhi. It will be 8:45. If I say quarter past 9, then it will be 9:15. Okay, got it, everyone? The concept of quarter to, quarter past, half past. Please
Yes,
revise that concept again. When to use AM, when to use PM, that also revise.
Ma'am, may I go to
Just
washroom?
coming and playing in the class is not sufficient, my dear. Because I called your name, you were not there at that time. Yes, please go and come fast. Now we are continue going to do our chapter, which is halves and quarters. Wait a minute, let me take the attendance. What all you are typing in the chat box, I am not looking at that, please. Okay. So now children, today we will learn. You have learned the fractions 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 2
Yes,
upon
ma'am.
4. So if I say any fraction, just explain it in detail. What does 2 upon 4 means? If I say 2 upon 4, I will explain you 2-3 examples, then you will explain me. Yes, Nishwa, what is 2 upon 4?
2 upon means 4 means we have 4 box and 2 is colored.
Okay, very good. Out of the total 4, and we are talking about the 2, right? If I say 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5,
Ma'am,
Viva,
may I say, ma'am?
1 upon 5.
There are 5 chocolate and one I already no.
You can give in this way also, or you can say that there is a cake, you cut it into 5 parts, you ate one part. So your part is 1 upon 5, 1/5. Okay.
Okay.
Vedant, can you express it in with the example? What is 2 upon 3?
2 upon 3. There were three. There were 3 toys. I take 2.
Okay. So you all know about fractions. What is 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 5 upon 6. Right. But you know how to read. Aradhya, sit properly in the class. You know how to read these fractions? 1 upon 2 is what? Is 1/2. Yes. 1 upon 5 is 1/5. Denominators, we add th with the denominators. When it is 1 as the numerator, then we add th only. When it is more than 1, means if it is 2 upon 5, when it's a plural, right? 2 numerator means you are eating 2 parts which are more than 1. So we add ths in the denominator. Suppose the fraction is 2 upon 5. So we say it is 2/5. FIFTHS. 2/5. What will be the guess?
Ma'am, if it is 1 upon 2, then what will be the?
It will be 1/2.
Okay.
If it is 1 upon 3, so we say 1/3. THIRD. Right? And if it is 1 upon 4, we say 1/4. FOURTH we will add. Anay, I can see you're sleeping and taking rest in the maths class. So why are we using only th when it is 1 in the numerator? Because it's a singular, only one part you have taken. If you are taking 2 upon 5, 2 upon 6, 2 upon 7 or 3 upon 7, which is more than the 1 in the numerator, means we will add THS in the denominator. I'm going to show you the video. You will better understand that. Mute yourself, everyone. I am also going to mute myself. Listen it.
Is a fraction. A fraction is a part of the whole. Suppose you cut this pizza into 6 slices. Each slice is a part or fraction of the whole pizza. Well, let's say you eat 1 slice. The 5 slices that remains is a fraction of the whole pizza. 1 out of the 6 parts can be expressed as this. We can read this fraction as 1/6. A fraction has 2 parts. The number written below the line in the fraction tells us the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. This number is called denominator.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am is not stuck. Ma'am is not moving.
The numerator.
Just a minute to us for a second. I'm going to again play this video. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Numerator. When we read a fraction, we use cardinal numbers for the numerator. It means we will read it as we would normally read any number.
Someone mic is on. Vihan Dubaria, please mute your mic. Yes. Now children, pay attention here. See, 1 upon 2, 1/2. 1 upon 3, 1/3. 1 upon 4, 1/4. What are you adding to the denominator? Only th you are adding to the denominator. 1 upon 5, 1/5. 1 upon 6, 1/6. 1 upon 8, 1/8. 1 upon 10, 1/10. 10, TEN, 10 and TH. 1 upon 20, 1 upon 20th. See the spelling of 20th. So on it will go to 1 upon 100 will be 100. 1000 will be 1 upon
I
1000.
have a
THS
doubt.
is added. Yes, I will clear your doubt after this. So till here it is clear. When the numerator is 1, you only have to add the TH to the denominator. Right. Now, when if it is more than 1 to the numerator, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number which is more than 1, so you will add THS to the denominator. Now again, I am going to play this. Nishwa, I will clear your doubt once I will complete.
The number we read differently is the denominator. Ordinal numbers for this. The fraction 1/2 is an exception to this. We write when a numerator we will add an s. The rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. 3. Take a look at this. We will add an s to each of these ordinal numbers. Let's take a look at the ordinal numbers.
So students, I'm going to show you that when the fraction is different, you can see here if it is 2 upon 3, 2/3. Here we will not add. When it is 3/4, now you can see
And
here
s
how we
to
add
each
the
of these
s.
ordinal
2/3,
numbers.
3/4, 2/5, 5/6, 5/7. So you can see the denominator is there. We are adding the THS also because it's now plural form. Got it? Because the numerator is greater than 1. If the numerator is greater than 1, we add the THS to the denominator. Clear, everyone? Can I move to the next now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let's take a look at this example. The rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. 3 parts are colored. What fraction of the rectangle is colored? In this example, 3 of the 8 parts of the rectangle are.
So students, in this, if they are saying 3 parts are color out of 8 parts, so how you are going to write it into the fraction?
Numerator is bigger than the denominator.
No. If the numerator is bigger than the 1, I have not said the numerator is bigger than the denominator. I have said that if the numerator is greater than 1, then you add THS. Here, if it is given, the rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. So if I tell you what is the fraction of the colored part, how you will write the fraction for the colored part?
3 upon 8.
Yes, Manya, you are also trying to give the same answer?
Yes,
Ma'am, I can
3
see it in
upon
words.
8. And how you will write it in the word stage, Kupar?
3, 3, 8.
Yes, can you tell me the spelling of 8s?
Okay, ma'am. THREEIGHTHS.
Yes, correct. So this way we will write it in the fraction as well as in the words. Yes, Nishwa, can you please share your what you were trying to ask me?
Yes, ma'am. In your first one, show that 1.2 and 1.3, it
It
is
is
not.
not point. It was 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3. First of all, learn how to pronounce it properly. We have not learned point. There was no decimal.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, now ask next thing, Nishwa.
Yes, ma'am. That is 1 upon 2 and 1. It is not. We use means T at.
When it is numerator is 1, you will add the TH only. When it is numerator more than 1, you will add THS.
No, but
I have a doubt.
it is 1 only. If 1.8, you add T
Again,
at.
1.8.
1 means sorry, ma'am.
First of all, you sit properly. You're sleeping.
Yes.
1 upon 8.
1 upon 8, it is coming. We add th, but 1,
If
One
it is 2 upon 8, then you will add THS.
yes,
Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, in denominator there can be more than 2 or 3
It
numbers.
can be any number. Because they are saying that, for example, you went in one party, right? There was only one cake. But to eat that cake, there are 500 people. So they have to cut that one cake into 500 pieces. Small. So you can see the share which you will get. If you go in a party, there are 500 people to eat the one cake. So means you are getting 1 upon 500 share. Okay, and in another party, Manya is going. In that party, there are 200 people to eat that cake, one cake. And Manya is getting 1 upon 200 share. So who is getting more? The party where is 500 people, the share will be more. कितना बड़ा size होगा केक का? 500 people जहाँ है वहाँ केक का size बड़ा होगा. So there are 200 people there, the size will be bigger.
500.
500.
Logically think. एक केक को खाने के लिए 500 persons है, another केक को खाने के लिए there are 200 people only. So where the size will be bigger?
Ma'am, class.
At
Yes,
500 people will be bigger size.
No.
Ma'am,
200 people.
Yes.
Where 200 people?
200 people.
Why there will become 200 people?
I am explaining that because you were playing that time when I was explaining.
Ma'am, my mother told me one
So
thing.
now ask me in the next class. Thank you, students.
bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.